Welcome to 246 Withers Street, apartment 2E. Almost 1,000 square feet of 2-bed, 2-bath, exquisite beauty. You're walking into the open concept living, dining, and kitchen. Everything was completely gut renovated a couple years ago. You have Miele cooktop, speed oven, as well as microwave, cabinetry all the way to the ceiling, 9.5-foot ceilings throughout, large breakfast bar with built-in sink, dishwasher, and storage on both sides of the island. The entire apartment is central AC and heat, controlled by Nest system. There is a video intercom for the front door. All the windows face southeast, getting lots of light all day long. You can see back. And as an added bonus, you have a cute little patio right outside your living room that overlooks a tree-lined street. Floor-to-ceiling windows, double paned for extra quiet inside. This unit can come furnished or unfurnished. White oak plank floors throughout. Walking down the hallway, we will go straight into the second bathroom. Gut renovated 2 years ago with Jason Wu by Brizo accessories. Slate and subway tile throughout. Toto toilets. And the best part, your own storage utility closet with full vented washer dryer. As you can see, it holds a lot of storage. Right across the hallway is the second bedroom. You can see the light streaming in. With full-size closets, all outfitted with Alpha interiors. And then coming back around the corner to the master, you have the master bedroom, again with southeast exposures, high ceilings, double door closets, and your master ensuite bathroom. Similar finishes to the other bathroom, but this one standing shower. Come back and look down the hallway. And this is a king-size bed in here currently, as well as a dresser and lounge chair. One last peek inside the second bedroom. Second bathroom with deep soaking tub and laundry room. And back into the kitchen front door. Living room and your private balcony. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at Lee-Tessitore team@compass.com. Thanks.